seo íontach a fiú orna nach. Han blas adage ag Sansa Celtica a taring na míl sin ganéisteach go thula bliana, agus ha mi tolatera go mi bigan galig a mesca blas Spáintí sin nach sin na chiad uair. A méad magáid go bí mi féinne chorm a bhín an cúteach ar an nársdúlad na satidir sa chudim, agus go bí ma jocharid agus sa hennitad galig Kathleen Nifganúis Colladú. Ach an doiseach an príomh över a han tala seo a cúd haris le lochéisteach. Sansa Celtica!
2, 3, 4.
Sonero, parrumero, pal sonero, parrumero, pal sonero, parrumero, pal sonero, parrumero.
Sí, señor.
Thank you.
Hello, Glasgow!
On the lead vocals from Venezuela, Mr. Lino Rocha.
And from Cuba, Mr. Ricardo Bomba. Oye, princesa, ¿pa' dónde vas? Estás perdida, abre tu corazón. Oye, princesa, ¿pa' dónde vas? Estás perdida, abre tu corazón. Quiere bailar conmigo, cariño, en el norte de Escocia, bajo el puente de la vida. Oye, quiere bailar conmigo.
I'm here backstage with Lino and Toby and Eamon from Salsa Celtica, and welcome. Thanks for coming in for a wee chat.
Hello.
Hello. Hi. Lino, you've been with the band now for
Probably 8 years.
8 years,
Yeah.
and you're from Venezuela.
I was born in Venezuela, yeah. Yeah. But I left when I was
Small. And how did you get in town with all these lads?
well, when I came to Edinburgh, soon after that I met Toby and Amanda, and they were looking for a singer that looked like a Latino. And so I fitted,
So you qualified.
I fitted very well, so and joined it.
And you've been so busy. You've literally toured the world.
Yeah, it's been nuts. Nuts actually. Yeah, the second album we released on Green Tracks, and it got released in like a month later. They invited us to play in New York and all over the place in LA. And a few years ago, Lino came along, and it was a real shock. You know, we'd been playing around doing Celtic Connections and sort of the Hebridean Festival, but then suddenly to be invited to New York was like really nuts. And then it's just gone on from then solidly. And last few years we've been in Algeria, New York, all over the place, and that's been great.